right, y'all, we are back. We are in Cancun now. The boy had to get into his, you know, his swimming trunks, swimwear, and we about to go on the water.
And you want to tell me what we want to do on the water?
How you tell us? Cause I don't know. I'm just thinking about.
I don't want to ask you. You want to tell me I gotta do it. What you can do?
We're going on the boat.
We're going on the boat.
I'm on the boat.
And I'm driving.
Oh,
I'm driving.
pray for me.
Because if y'all noticed, when I did the jet skis, I was bomb. So I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, please, amiguitos. I need two and 2 kids. Okay.
Okay.
On the for safe. Look, easy.
Yeah.
Look the throttle. You see throttle? This reverse, stop, forward and faster. Okay. Here. Keep this and this. Look, 10, 50 meters bow by bow distance. Okay.
Okay.
Ahí está. This. You slow down. It's 4, 6. Okay.
Okay.
Don't do that one. This. No zigzags. No. The last signal. Some case problema. Call me. Raul, help. Raul, help. I help you. Got it? Got it.
All right, guys. We on the speedboat.
We on the boat.
We on the boat.
We on the boat.
Shout out T-Pain. We're in Cancun. We're in Mexico. Hola.
Let me take a picture right here.
Sure.
Chicos.
We are about to head on out. Abby is driving first. So let's pray that we make it to the
Don't
destination.
do that to me. I wouldn't do that to you. And you know we always make it anywhere I drive.
Yeah, she was driving us up on the jet ski. So is there seatbelts in here? I just thought about that.
Do you see a seatbelt?
I didn't see a seatbelt when I walked.
Exactly.
I just want to make sure. Is that rope for a seatbelt? Is that what we need?
No.
Hit him with the sprinkle, baby. Hit him with the... Hey. Oh. Well, what are you doing? What are you doing, baby?
Oh, look at those hotels.
Huh?
Look at the hotels that find the video.
Yeah. Those houses are lit. See, those modern houses are fire. You got a chocolate and a vanilla house right next to each other. I want the chocolate house. Oh.
Very slow.
Oh, good job,
You gonna what?
Captain Abby.
Snorkeling? No.
She got us here. She will feed.
One whole piece.
I'm not gonna hold y'all. She's a great driver. She's a great driver, land and sea. So, you're welcome.
You.
What you gonna say to the FOV fan?
YOLO!
Babe, you okay?
Yes, sir.
You okay? Alright, it sounded like you might hit something.
It did kind of sound like you hit something.
Hi. Hi. I love you too. Go find us some fish for the night.
Got good footage?
Hello, Captain E-Money Boss. Tell the people at FOV, hey.
What's good, y'all?
What's good?
My turn.
You hear me? Zoom in. Zoom in when you zoom. Zoom in. What you want to tell the people?
Hey, man. FOV, we love y'all.
Oh, shit, honey. Yo, you cannot drive in Texas. And you're not even Texas.
Hey.
For real, you was telling people.
I'm right here with it.
No, you
Hey,
didn't.
look.
You didn't even see.
Hey,
You
look.
definitely saying slow down and stop. If you don't
My reflexes is good.
reflex these nuts, how you not see?
I feel.
Yeah, right.
Hola. FOV, we love y'all.
TOP, hold it down.
We love y'all. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to our video. You know what I mean? You like the content and all that.
She camera. Oh, was that lightning?
That was lightning.
Oh, let's get back. Let's kick this
We
shit.
gotta hurry and get
Let's kick this shit up.
We gotta hurry and get the
Hurry
head
up, you
back.
money boy, but you got somewhere to go.
Hey, look. Hey, y'all. We about to get back to the resort. We'll catch you guys in a minute. Love y'all. Out. Peace. Thank you guys so much for watching, hanging out with us for today. That's probably going to end it for today.
No, it's not. We got
Okay.
more stuff to do, more activities. More activities!